Flooding is the most common natural disaster in the U.S., but most people do not have adequate insurance to protect their homes. A Consumer Reports survey found 1 out of 3 homes damaged by floods during last year's Hurricane Sandy were not covered, and those that were didn't have enough coverage. Here's Dia Riley.
There was an L-shaped, nice white leather couch here. Every piece of furniture had to be removed from the house because of the risk of mold, and it was heartbreaking. It was heartbreaking.
Charles Ferris's waterfront home took in more than 2 feet of water in Superstorm Sandy last year. His insurance came nowhere near covering the cost of replacing everything he lost. Consumer Reports Money Advisor says there are many misconceptions about flood damage and insurance.
Homeowners insurance doesn't cover flood damage for either your home or your belongings. For that, you need flood insurance. And we recommend coverage both for your home and its contents.
Be aware, even with contents coverage, you will only get the value of your belongings when the flood hit, not what it will cost to buy everything new.
If you're a homeowner, getting enough coverage for the structure itself is also really important. Our advice, get as much coverage as you can.
The website floodsmart.gov can help you determine the amount of available coverage and the estimated cost. Most residential flood insurance comes through the Federal Emergency Management Agency, so the terms and cost are standard.
A warning, just because you don't live near a body of water doesn't mean you don't need flood insurance. Heavy rains could cause flooding. In fact, 1 in 5 flood claims comes from an area that's not considered high risk.
Charles Ferris regrets not having adequate flood coverage. It's a mistake that's costing him plenty out of pocket.
To bring it back to the way it was, I think I'm looking at $80,000.
Consumer Reports Money Advisor says one way to keep flood insurance premiums down is to raise your deductibles. Another tip, check to see if you can pay a lower premium if you locate your central air conditioning unit and other home systems above the flood line. To see other stories from our partners at Consumer Reports, go to our website, abcactionnews.com. I'm Dia Riley, taking action for you.